video. So not much gone on this weekend because obviously it's Mother's Day weekend and we've been quite busy here. So I'm holding the camera, so it's going to be a bit wobbly. Because you can see up there, I've got the small rig thing to hold the phone in a second. So we've done a little few bits and bobs. I'm trying to get to grips with 3D printing. My original rock house pit stop has now changed. It's going to be going somewhere else, and I've built something else. And for the minute, I've got some vintage toys to just represent what's going to be in it, or near it, or around it, or whatever I'm going to do with it. Later on, it needs paint. I've only painted the roof so far. It needs painting up yet. I'm waiting for the glue to dry, and I've used Rocket glue, Tamiya, Tamiya extra thin, Tamiya quick set, and none of it's works. I've gone for Gorilla Glue now. Hopefully that'll set it. Right, so let me just flip it round. I'll show you where I'm at, and then I'm going to do a quick race with Dora the Explorer challenge, because I couldn't think of any names to use as race drivers, so I named them all after Dora the Explorer. We've got a couple of cars there I'm going to race against. They're going to 40 lap race with some fuel. I've just adjusted the fuel because I haven't won a race yet because I have to keep pitting too much. So we'll do a quick 40 lap race after, and we'll go from there. So let me just stop it and I'll flip and show you what's going on with the track. Okie dokie. So over in the corner now is going to be the rock pit stop thing. It's now going to be disused, creepy, under flyover, unused work cabin kind of affair. So I've still got to paint that up, but I think that looks better under there. Have a little creepy little light in it, and we'll do something with the obviously the flooring outside, the curve. That's just ideas of thinking, can I put sort of blocks there to make it like a big concrete wall or a wall? I'm probably gonna, I don't know if I should plaster Paris all that and then smooth it out and then put lines, like rough lines in it, to make it look like some sort of concrete, or it's because it's quite a big space in it. I know you can buy a special concrete mix, but that's quite a big space to fill in. Still got to work on the mountain area, filling in the gaps up there. Need to do some kind of barrier work up there because the cars tend to fly off around that top corner as well. Work in progress. Now we come along to so I was going to call this McSlots, but I went online and there's actually a slot car company called McSlot, so I'm not going to call it McSlots because I don't want to get done for infringement of IP and copyright and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to call it Slots and Sprues Drive Through. And as you come down the hill, woo, need some fuel, need some food. And then in you come, and you've got the Smurfs to say hello to, and you come into Slots and Sprues Drive Through. You come to this window to order, and you go to that window to pick up. But they're outside at the minute. And then you go over to there, and I've got a little bin. I'm going to put a little target in that, so you've got something to throw your food into. I'll probably put that along the way a bit, actually, to be fair. Let's move that along now. Then you can have a little target like they have in the car parks to throw your food into. You've got the mechanic Smurf if you want some work done. You've got your McDonald's there, which is not McDonald's because it's Slots and Sprues Drive Through. And you've got the clown who's just taking the piss out of you because you have to keep coming in for fuel. Yeah, so little Slots and Sprues up there. I think the printing didn't come out too brilliant, but it's fine. It's fine. When the light shines through it, it looks really good. So I might try and put a light behind it. Yeah, messing about up there, trying to think what I can do up there. Yeah, so it's coming along. Still freaking loads to do. So this is a really short, quick video. I know I'm a bit sad, so I've got a little spreadsheet going because obviously I've got no crossover, because if you use the AI and they crossover, the faster AI will eventually catch up with the slower AI car, and they'll just go around together, and it's pretty pointless. So I've got no crossovers, and I'm using Smart Race at the moment, and it's and Smart Race and Magic app and the Arc Pro app. None of them do let the cars cross over. I believe if you're on Carrera, they can cross over. They can use the lane change, but obviously they don't do it on here. So I've got a little spreadsheet because the inside lane 2 is slightly slower. Not much in it, but it's slightly slower than lane 1, obviously because of the 2 hairpins. But I can't get around that. It's the only way to maximise track length. Yeah, so it's 624 centimetres long, this track. There's 6 metres, which is quite, you don't really believe it can be that long in this little space. Again, it's not a fast whizzy track, it's more technical. You've got to take your time, otherwise you spin out there, you spin out there, you can also spin out there, and you can also spin out round there. I think once I paint the track, which is going to be part of the do up as well, because this is so slippery. It's ridiculously slippery. Once I paint it with what I'm going to paint it with, I hope you'll get a little bit more grip out of it, so they won't be so slidey. But again, that's way future Slots and Sprues. I've now named it Slots and Sprues Raceway. Need to get a sign made or something done. Anyway, yeah, so we've had a little good look around, good little waffle. Bricks around the side. Under these little, there's a gap under there, so I can put LEDs to shine down, which I will do. I'm going to paint this little bit black. That's the rubber strip, so your car don't hit the wall. Got my little barrier things on the corners, so you don't drive into the little metal poles. I'll do them a different colour. He's still taking the piss out of you. Yeah, this bit of the roof needs to be a different colour, but I just all went one red. I do like that red. I might weather the roof a bit on top, but anyway. Without further ado, then let's stop waffling and just waffling away. I'm gonna do a little 40-lap race against who am I racing against? Dora and Map, I believe. Dora's in the Mustang, and I think it was Map or Boots. I can't remember now. One of the two. But we'll have a little race, and during the week I've got two cars coming in a set that I've been after. I've got another new car a few weeks ago, which I haven't shown anyone yet. So I'm not doing car reviews, but I'll show, because I am collecting TV and film cars. I've only just started, so I know I've got these GT3s and GT4s, but they come in the set, so I'm not particularly fussed about that. But I've got a car here that I got the other week, which I thought was a deal until I found out the very same week Electrics put it on sale. So I just paid what I would have paid on Electrics anyway, minus the postage and packaging. So I probably got it a bit cheaper than what I would have done on Electrics. So I got that. I got the car coming Monday, so I'll probably put a video out Wednesday, maybe just showing them cars what I got. The set I got on eBay was stupidly cheap, and I'm a bit concerned that it's not bona fide. The guy had loads of 100% reviews and verified purchases, but the kit was like, the box set I bought, including postage and packaging, is like 40 quid cheaper than like the cheapest you can find it on eBay. So I'm a little bit concerned, but we'll see when it turns up. And then I got buyer protection on eBay, so I can always get a refund and send it back. But I'm looking forward to that. I'm looking really forward to that set. But anyway, without further ado, let's stop waffling and do a little race for you all. Go. Let's go. Let's try not to do any dodgy fuck ups this time. Dora is in the lead. I've got to get past Dora's in the Mustang. Got to get past Dora. Just cut Dora up. What? Yeah, I've taken the lead. I need to get a lead up. I need to pit for fuel. Let's get some fuel on board early. Try and catch Dora back up again. Can't remember if that was... I'm sure that was Map I just overtook. Map's just here as a mobile chicane. I need to catch up with Dora. Otherwise, I'm not going to win. Well, I need to pit again. I'm going to need to pit again. Can I do one more lap? Yep, I know I need to refuel. Get in the pit. Get in them pits. Come on team. Come on team. Dora's in the lead again. Pit strategy. Ferrari will be jealous. Oh, he hit the wall there. You hear him clip the wall. Half the race is done. I need to catch up with Dora. We're neck and neck. Let's get on that inside lane. Get past Dora. Oh no, it's caused an issue. Oh no. No penalties though, so we'll just pretend that never happened. Let's go. Let's go. Got to be careful now. I'm in the lead. Gonna go for fuel. Oh no, he's skidded again. Oh no, it's all panicking. Come on. We need to get in front of Dora. Let's use Dora around the corners. Oh, I've got you now, Dora. Yeah. Let's go. Only 10 laps. I'm a lap down. Dora's in the lead. Gonna be close. Still a lap down. Oh no! No, I'm in the wrong lane. No, I'm running out of fuel. Whoa. Oh no, I'm gonna lose. Sorry, mate. That was my fault. You knocked my bin over and you killed the Smurf. No, I'm gonna lose. Oh, I didn't cause a caution. What happened now? Don't know what happened now. No idea what happened now. Anyway, I'm gonna lose. Oh no, I've lost. Dora the Explorer beat me. I just need to adjust the fuel so I don't have to pit so much. I think one less pit stop would be good. But that Arc Pro is a game changer, isn't it? It's just so good. It's a pity they can't change lanes because you could have more cars on track then. But two's brilliant. So well done, Dora. And it's Boots coming third, and I come in second. So I couldn't even beat Dora the Explorer. But we'll get her next time. Cheerio.